Hey guys, it's me, Che Clemente Vlog, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video, I'm going to show you how to make chicken fried rice. Super quick and delicious chicken fried rice recipe. Juicy and tender chicken pieces, colorful vegetable, and delicious homemade stir-fry sauce. This recipe is a simple and easy to make. What are you waiting for? Let's get started! Mega shout out kay Friends and Family Kitchen from India. Thank you so much! Ito na naman ang panibagong tips, panibagong video, panibagong recipe, ang chicken fried rice. For Chinese style fried rice recipes, I would recommend to use jasmine rice or medium grain rice, but you can use any of your favorite cooked rice, brown rice, basmati rice, etc. Simple lang, madaling lutuin, masarap. Kung bago ka lang sa channel na ito, please don't forget to subscribe and push the notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa aking mga video ina-upload. Thank you!